Hey everybody, Doug at Jam and J Auto and Tire, and today we're going to work on or look at a 2015 Jeep Renegade. And what we found on this car was it has a leaking pinion seal. Now this is the rear differential, so it actually transmits the power to the rear wheels. So what happens is we have your drive shaft coming in from here. This is how we get power back to it. It comes from your transmission. Then it's actually hooked to a thing called a pinion gear. And then inside it there's another gear called the ring gear. And once this drive shaft turns, it turns the pinion, which turns that, and then we get power out to the rear wheels. Okay? Typically, the way that we would replace a pinion seal is we'd pull the drive shaft out and just replace the seal right here, and off we would go. However, on this car, the 2015 Jeep Renegade, there is no procedure. The procedure includes dropping out this whole differential assembly and just replacing the whole thing. It's about a $5,000 job. Obviously, our customer's not happy about that. We didn't build this car, design this car, or break this car. But anyway, there's also a special tool required to get a little clip out of here. There's a special tool that holds this drive shaft together. There's a joint here. It's very complex. So this is ridiculous that we actually think we should be replacing the whole differential just to fix this silly little pinion leak. Like I said in the past, when we had to do a pinion seal, it wouldn't be that hard. Pull the drive shaft out, pull the seal out, put a new one, and we're done. But no, not on this one. And just so you know, these little Jeep Renegades, they are made by a company called Stellantis, which owns Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. And Stellantis, basically, this is a Fiat rolling around with the Jeep body on it. So be warned. Thank you. Have a great day.